How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 65 Chevelle Malibu SS, done in its original butternut yellow. Some people call it lemonwood yellow. Super nice car. Clean Arizona car. Kind of went through a custom build-up. See all the grill, the bumpers, everything on the car just looks like new. All the panel fitment's really nice. Car's super slick, straight down the sides. The previous owner owned this car over 20 years. Did a lot of really nice upgrades to the car. It's got your vintage Krieger SS's on it. All BF Goodrich TA radials. You see all the trim on the back of the car is real nice. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got a power antenna for the stereo system. See, it's nice and slick down the sides. Now this is a GM 383 aluminum headed GM performance heads. It's got your factory air conditioning. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes. Got your power steering. I tell you, it's just a super cool car. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. See the disc brakes up front. It's got 10-bolt posi rear with 373 gear. And I tell you, 60 mile an hour, 65 mile an hour, things like 2,000, 2,100 RPM going down the road with the overdrive. Just really nice car. Fun to drive. So all the interior's been redone in the car. Updated with front and rear seat belts. It's got the correct center console. The shifter's been reworked for the overdrive trans, so it works properly. It's got an L79 original air cleaner there. You can put back on if you'd like. It's got matching spare. Just a rock solid car. All the original body panels, original floors. A lot of real nice performance upgrades. Headliner's real nice in the car. And it does have AM, FM, CD stereo in the glove box there. Got a set of headers and duals on it. Nice cut, not a real loud muffler, nice turbo muffler. Fires right up. Got the choke and everything on it. The thing idles really nice. Just got a nice camshaft to it. everything works. Backup lights, all that work on the car. Good sounding car. It's got nice sounding camshaft in it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. We have new inventory coming weekly. Have a great day, folks.